Today, I'll walk you through how to recover lost OneNote files, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to restore your deleted notes so you can get back to being productive. First, let's open OneNote and navigate to the notebook where you want to recover your lost journal entries. Once you're in the right notebook, right-click on it. This action will reveal a menu, and from there, select Notebook Recycle Bin. A new tab will appear displaying the recently deleted contents. Think of this as your digital lost and found, a place where your deleted notes and pages await their chance to be restored. Now, you will see two categories, deleted notes and deleted pages. Choose between the two depending on what you're looking for. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a list of deleted items. Next, right-click on the note or page that you want to recover. A menu will pop up giving you the option to either move or copy. This is where you can decide where you want to restore the deleted item. After selecting your preferred option, a box will appear allowing you to choose exactly where to place your recovered note. This step is crucial because it ensures your notes are organized just the way you like them. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Microsoft frequently updates its software, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Once you've completed these steps, your lost OneNote files should be back in their rightful place, ready for you to use. If this helps you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.